Morning, fellas. Ben back again with the Sherpa. The Sherpa is back from a 1,550 kilometer trip, high speed touring. This is a review of sorts, but more importantly, another major problem that I've run into. Again, this is me not cribbing and complaining about the motorcycle. I have never cribbed and complained about that fella over there. I've only gone about fixing issues, and that is my exact same attitude and approach towards this motorcycle as well. I'm going to make it the best motorcycle in the market in terms of parts, in terms of design, in terms of thought. I will, slowly but steadily, not in a hurry. Now, that being said, I'll just touch upon all that was good, bad and ugly of the motorcycle. Nothing ugly, only goods and bads, maybe a little bit of a niggle, nothing else but that. But keeping that aside, jumping straight into the chain, this is the problem that I've run into. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but if you look at this over here, there you go. Yep, I believe you guys can see that. That's one. This was stuck there. Two. Keep it back where it belongs. You'll be shocked, fellas. This is a matter of shock. Watch this. 3. And again. Super lubed chain. So there you go. 3. Again. 4. These are O-rings of this chain. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 'There you go. 13. 14. 'Yeah, so you get the point. DID 520 pitch, 110 or 12 links, I guess. Go ahead, get a replacement, not the same chain from Royal Enfield, but from a dedicated chain manufacturer. Even DID made to a budget, mass production, you can have issues like this. If you were to swap it out with DID, dedicated aftermarket chain, not like the OEM chain but the aftermarket chain, the quality is going to be sky and earth. That I can guarantee. The difference is going to be sky and earth. On Ben, this is the RK 520 pitch on Ben, about 30, almost 30,000 kilometers now. Been ripping it, nothing but ripping. Absolutely nothing gone wrong so far. Not a single thing. The bloody chain doesn't even stretch. That's the funniest thing. Rock solid build quality. So aftermarket is the way to go. I'm not here complaining about anything. I'm just pointing out things for you fellas to keep into account. This is a done and dusted chain. I would not risk this chain any longer. I could go on short trips, small trips, slower speeds, but anything more than that, like a 120, 130 kilometer, this chain saw nothing but high speed touring, and it got me back home safe and sound. I'm only grateful for that. Partly also because it's a brand new chain, but this would have seriously gotten stretched and gotten heated up and stretched, and it would have damaged the sprockets as well if this was a longer trip. So I'm going to swap this out with something aftermarket, and hopefully that should help you fellas as well. A 520 pitch, I think this is a 112 link. Get an RK, get a DID, get a EK, but a dedicated aftermarket chain, and that should be it. That should solve all your problems. Riveted link type, I don't really see much of a difference. I would go in for a link type, a clip-on type. So much more easier to put on and take off. So that's that. But this is something serious. I'm just leaving it at this. I could also talk about this for another 10 minutes, but I don't want to sound like I'm starting to complain and crib about Royal Enfield. I've never been that person. Anyway, so that's the chain part of it. Now coming to the motorcycle. Plenty of reviewers out there who've spoken high and mighty about the Himalayan's performance, so I'm not going to be wasting your time with that. But quick, short, simple observations coming your way on another video, the next one after this. The goods, the greats, and the niggles. There's nothing like a factor that gets to your nerves on this machine. It's just a brilliant machine. Some minor niggles here and there, we'll talk about that on another video. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.